You have around 40 days for exam. What are the 4 things which you can do which will make sure you do very well in the exam? Before I tell you the 4 things, please remember that these are not the only 4 things, but if you do these 4 things, definitely you do well in the exam. The first point is make a timetable. Yes, I tell this in most of my videos and I have to stress this again because when you have 40 days, the most crucial is you have limited time. Because you have limited time, no matter you're in CS Foundation, CS Executive or CS Professional, you need to make a timetable. The timetable is very important because it will give you an effective way to measure how much you are studying. Yes, you may feel that why should I make timetable and waste time? Definitely not. Making timetable may take maximum half an hour or 45 minutes. But the effectiveness and the usefulness will improve your efficiency and you will become more effective when you are studying. I have a video about how to make a timetable. I will leave a link in the description box and you can look at that video. Coming to the number of hours, if you are a full-time student, you need to be studying at least 10 hours a day when you have 40 days. That is still around 400 hours you have for the exam. If you are working or if you are in college, you have other commitments, please try to study at least 5 to 6 hours. And if you are doing anything else apart from like the CS course, please make sure that you are giving at least 6 hours per day. The second thing is that don't panic. Yes, why I am telling don't panic is many students are telling me that I have only 40 days, I have not prepared well, I will write the next attempt. That would be very foolish according to me because 40 days is definitely not a very big amount of time, but it is sufficient for you to go and do well in the exam because once you pay the exam fees, it is your duty to write the exam. Don't worry, you are prepared very well or average or you have not even started, it's okay. Whatever is your situation, you still have 40 days in your hand. That is the power which is there in your hand. So make sure you use these 40 days very well. You don't have to panic. Give your 100% in 40 days. Don't worry about the result. I'm very sure that will make you pass the exam. You never know. You may have that luck which will make you clear it. The third thing which you should remember is mock exams. Yes, mock exam or preparatory exam help you to assess the time management during the exam. See, exam is for 3 hours. Yes, if you are a foundation student, it is just for 90 minutes, but whatever it is 90 minutes or 3 hours, please take the mock exam because it will help you to do the time management in the exam. Many students come after the exam and tell that I knew all the answers but I did not have enough time to write. I was very well prepared but I couldn't write. That's why in the next attempt I will pass. Why do you want to go for next attempt? Take the mock exam and then that will help you to prepare and then write the final exam. And mock exam can even be by just taking any of the old question papers of ICSI which is available on the ICSI website and you can try to attempt it. If you can't write the entire 3-hour mock exam, my suggestion is at least write for 1.5 hours, that is for 50 marks. That will really help you. The fourth point is relating to crash course or video classes when you have 40 days for exam. Yes, you may feel that 40 days is very less. Now if I go for coaching, it is difficult, and if you want to go for physical coaching, it is very difficult. Most of them are already completed. That is why what you can try is you can try any video class or you can try any crash course. In many cities, 2 days or 5 days crash course keep happening. You can check it out and try those crash courses. That will help many times even if you have just 40 days for exam. Or if you can't go to the crash course, there are online classes available including our Ekcel Academy if you want, and you can try that. That will help you to prepare and you'll get the confidence that it is possible. Like I told in the beginning of the video, these are not the only 4 things which you should do, but why I told these 4 things is that you should not lose the confidence or you should not lose the belief that you cannot pass because you have only 40 days for exam and your preparation is not up to your expectation. Let me tell you, no student will be fully happy with the preparation. Even the first rank student will tell that I could have prepared more. So don't worry that your preparation is not up to your expectation, but you have 40 days and you can do really well if you can give your 100% from today. So these are just the 4 points which are very important, but there are many more things and we will be making many more videos related to that. As you know, we are conducting a 1-day workshop in Bangalore and Chennai on May 4th and May 5th. We already got very good response and many of you have already registered, and I am very excited to meet each one of you. But we still have few seats left, and I would really encourage you to come to this workshop, and this workshop will cover all the things like how to write the answer in the exam, what is the expect of examiner, what is the expectation of the ICSI, and many more things like what are the tips and tricks to write the answers. All this will be covered. So I invite you to join. Also, the details of that video is in the description box below. Also, the Google form is also in the description box below. If you are interested or any of your friends are interested to attend at the workshop, you can definitely come. It is in Bangalore and Chennai. It is a one-day workshop. So with that, I would like to end this video, and for more such videos, please subscribe to Ekcel Academy, your one-stop solution for CS course.